Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm going to take you on a tutorial how to file KRA returns. I'll be taking you one-on-one, step by step. I found in my YouTube channel people are complaining about how to retrieve password, how to generate tax compliant certificate, and all that. I'll be taking you. This is a full guide up how to go about it. So the very first thing that you need to come to kra.go.ke /KRA. We'll get into this platform. This is the iTax platform where we are. This time we are filing our tutorials online. So we'll key in our password, our KRA pin. Once we key in our KRA pin, we have forgotten the password. We don't have the password to the pin, and we cannot really remember. I'll be taking you step by step how to retrieve it. For those who still have our challenge with registering KRA pin, in the description link in my YouTube channel Lifestyle Tutorials, you'll find another recording on how to register on a tutorial on how to register for KRA pin. So let us go one-on-one. So once you have your KRA pin, you'll come to forget password. Once we say forget password, it is advisable that that concurrently you have logged your email. Once you say that, they will say, or they'll tell you that fill in your user ID. We'll fill our user ID. Our user ID is our KRA pin. Is our KRA pin. That's our user. That's our KRA pin. We fill this security stamp. This one ensures that this is not a robot which is trying to hack into your account, or any auto generate any programmed stuff. They'll tell you operation successful. Your password have been mailed to you successfully. So that is how you are able to retrieve your KRA pin. Once you retrieve that, we'll come to our Gmail. We log in. Yeah, internet is taking some time. Once we come into our Gmail, we'll be able to update the social status, and we'll be able to get the updated KRA pin. I know they must have sent it here. They are very effective. Let us look. Let us check in the Gmail. Now we will wait for it for a few seconds for us to get it. I know it must have from the KRA pin. It says the operation has been mailed to you. So using the KRA email address that was used to in creating this KRA pin, that is where we'll be retrieving it. We have just logged it in here. Yeah, they tell me password reset from our web portal. So this is our password. So that is our lifestyle. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. That's a tutorial how to retrieve a KRA password, KRA pin password. Thank you.